Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how I do my DIY Biscoff or toasted Biscoff version from 7-Eleven. First of all, you're gonna need butter, bread, and of course your Biscoff smooth spread. Just take out 2 slices of your bread and spread out the Biscoff smooth spread onto your bread. Actually, if we're gonna follow the recipe or the version of 7-Eleven, I don't have the mallows part or the mini marshmallows. So if you want to add that to your recipe or to your own toast, just buy some mini marshmallows. I wasn't able to buy last time, so I'm gonna make one that doesn't have marshmallows. And it's fine with me because most of the time whenever we heat the toast, the marshmallows will just dissolve or like melt, so it doesn't really affect the overall taste of your toast. So just keep on spreading out the Biscoff spread onto your bread evenly. Once you're done, you can now proceed to put on the other slice. And now for the finishing touch, we will be putting 2 slices or 2 parts of the butter onto the bread. You can adjust if you want more butter or less butter if you're on a diet, so it really depends on you. But based on my experience, this amount of butter is just right. And after putting the butter, you can now proceed to your toaster, or I use an oven toaster because that's what we have at home. I will toast it for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your preference, but for me, I just did 2 minutes. When you toast your bread, make sure that the butter part is on top and not facing the grill so it won't melt down. And this is the final result. Here's what the Biscoff looks inside. It kind of melted as well. That's why it's really delicious. It melts in your mouth when you eat it. So I hope you enjoy your toast or Biscoff toast, guys. Thanks for watching.